Uh, this is one of my favorite questions because this is something that's so confusing at first. And so I want to give you a good strategy for how to get it straight in your mind, right? So our brains remember things that are kind of off the wall and different easier than they remember just like mundane, regular, boring things. So this person said, I keep getting confused when you multiply positives and negatives, like -8 times -6, or +7 times -5 or whatever, things like that. So I want you to think about the spoon method. Like the spoon is going to help you to remember this. Think about spoon is SPOON. And so SP or ON. So if the signs are the same, the answer is going to be positive. If you're multiplying or dividing, doesn't matter. If the signs are the same, it's going to be a positive number. So like this is -8 times -6. And so those are the same. And so I know the answer is a positive, 48. If they had been both same, but both positive, like, that, like 8 times 6 is 48, because that's the one that you learned to begin with, right? When you were younger, you learned like positive numbers always have a positive answer. And so if they're both negative, it's also going to be a positive answer. Or if you have opposite signs, then the answer is going to be a negative number. So if it had been -8 times a +6, it'd be a -48. Or if it had been a +8 times a -6, it would be a -48. Because in both cases, we have a negative and a positive, and then we have a positive and a negative. So those are opposite signs. I know I didn't write negative. I put a check mark. That's funny. But opposite signs are going to give you a negative answer. So use that spoon method. I think it can be really helpful. I hope that helps you.